Hey viewers, in this video we are going to learn about how to check order status, search for an order by contract name, apply filters of your choice, modifying an order, and checking the full details of your orders. Please watch the video till end and don't miss anything. Let's start. Tutorials for order book. First, you need to log in with your Samco ID. Then, to view your orders, tap on Orders. And after tapping on Order Book, you will be able to see pending orders, executed orders, rejected orders, and all orders. You can tap or slide the given tabs. The first being pending orders. The pending order is an order that was not yet executed. If you wish to modify, cancel, or view the current order, you just tap on the pending script and you get the buttons of Modify, Modify to Market, Cancel, and Details. Just tap on any of these buttons and change your order status. Next, Executed Orders. Execution is the completion of a buy or sell order for a security. Next, Rejected Orders. All rejected orders get displayed over here. Now comes All Orders. In this tab, you're able to see orders including completed, rejected, and pending or cancel. On clicking search icon, you can search any order by its contract name or script name. In the All Order, you will be able to filter the order type via trade types, product type, exchange, instrument, status, order value, and order type. If you have any query, please comment in the section below or feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.